Hello guys, I'm Micah. Today we're going to be reading Arthur's Family Vacation. Let's get started reading. Hey guys, welcome back to Micah's Toy Box. Today we're going to be reading Arthur's Family Vacation by Mark Brown. It was Arthur's last day of school. Mr. Ratburn gave the class a surprise spelling test. All the other classes were having parties. Finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, said Mr. Ratburn. Report cards and school's out. Everyone cheered. I can't wait for baseball practice to start, said Francine. I'm taking a college computer course, the brain announced. I'll really miss you at camp. MEADOW
Meadow.
Croc. This year, Arthur, Buster said. I wish I didn't have to go on vacation with my family, said Arthur. There will be nothing to do and no one to do it with. You have G.W. Buster said, smiling. For a whole week. Don't remind me, said Arthur. Arthur's family spent that night packing. I wish I could take my dollhouse, said D.W. I wish Buster could come, said Arthur. This is a family vacation, said Mother. All you need for fun is each other, said Arthur. Let's take my swing set, said D.W. We can use all that. So they're bringing all this stuff. And you can actually see the shark in the front cover. I am a shark and I'm very mad. Well, we're all packed, Father said the next morning. Where's Arthur? He's on the phone with Buster, said Mother for the 100th time. D.W. added. Before you leave, said Father, does anyone need to use the restroom? This is your tent, said Mother. Don't look at me, said D.W. On our way at last, Mother smiled. A whole week of no cooking and no dishes, said Father. A whole week without my best friend here in the whole world, Arthur moaned. Once you're at the beach, you will feel better, said Father. Are you there yet? Asked W.D. I have to go to the bathroom. She did not listen to her father. There's a here. Arthur spent the rest of the trip thinking about how much fun Buster must be having at camp. Dun 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 dun. We're here, said Mother. Welcome to Ocean View, said the manager. Where's the ocean? Asked Flower. Just across the highway behind that shopping center, the manager pointed. But there's a pool right here. Well, I guess I'll go swimming, said Arthur. Me too, said you. Wait for me. Let's see your room first, said Mother. Okay, Donkey, that isn't even a real store. There, right there. Okay, Donkey, not a store. And that shark is so mad. You mean we have to stay in this putty little room? Don't worry, said Mother. We'll only be sleeping here. If you want to swim, said Arthur, hurry up and get your suit on. We have the whole pools to ourselves, said Arthur. It's a good thing, too, said D.W. Our bathtub is bigger than this. It is so tiny. That night at dinner, everyone ordered lobster. But B-U-S-T-E-R.
Buster.
Buster loves lobster, said Arthur. This is lobster, said D.W. I want a hot dog. Can we go to the beach tomorrow? Arthur asked. Good idea, said Father. I'm sure the rain will stop by then. That's itchy. No beach today, D.W. announced the next morning. I had a dream about Buster, said Arthur. Why don't you write him a postcard, Mother, said Justice. Why don't we all write postcards, said Father. But what do we write about, said D.W. We haven't done anything yet. Dear Buster, I bet you're having fun at camp. I wish I were your best friend, Arthur. Dear Grandthora, you're smart to stay at home. XXXOXOXO. Love, D.W.XXXOXXOXXXO. It's a lot of X's and O's. What do we do now? Said D.W. This vacation is a disaster at camp. There's always something fun to do, though. Arthur, even on rainy days. That's it, he said. I'm taking us on a field trip. Their dad looks so fat in the next picture. I've never heard of cow festival, D.W. said, but at least it's more fun than a motel room. Say cheese, said Father. Let's hurry, or we'll miss the milking contest, said Arthur. For the next few days it rained and rained, but Arthur didn't mind. He was too busy planning new places to go. Forgot all about missing Buster. On Wednesday they went to Gatorville. At least all the gators get to swim, said D.W. Thursday was busy too. After torching to Flo's Fudge Factory, they all went on to Jimmy's Jungle Cruise. I never realized there's so many fun things to do in the rain, said Father. I want to plan a field trip too, said D.W. to the movies. When they were there, D.W. was too scared to watch it, though. It was a movie about fish, she whispered. What's so scary about fish? Finally, on Friday, their last day, the sun came out. What a day, said Father. Just gorgeous, said Mother. Even D.W. was having fun. No one wanted to leave, but the next day they packed and headed home. We're almost there, said Mother P. Yeah, I really have to go to the bathroom. Oh boy, said Arthur. I can't wait to see Buster. As soon as they got home, the doorbell rang. It was Buster. Camp was fun, but I miss you, said Arthur. How's your long vacation? How did you and D.W. get along? Great, said Arthur. Take a look. Apparently there were stickers. Wow, Sebastian really did have a great time. Help me! Help me! Thank you guys for watching Mika's Toy Box. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye!